Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your items to the gifts section of Pinterest. As you can see, I'm on it now and there's tons and tons of stuff for sale from different people. When you click on these items, it goes through to the website that they're being sold on for you to purchase. This is a great way to promote your products as a company to Pinterest users. So the first thing you need to do is find a item that you want to sell, and in my case it's this print of these balancing pebbles. And what I need to do is come to my Pinterest account, click on the pebble balancing board. You need to create a board if you haven't already, and click add a pin, and here's the URL for that print. Click find images. Here it is. And to get your item into the gift section, all you need to do is add a price to it in dollars within the description. So as you can see, if you keep an eye on the image, you can see it says $10 next to it. 20, 30, whatever you like. My one works out at about $11, so I'll place that there and click pin it. And here is my item for sale. It'll appear in the correct section of the gifts depending on what price you put it. It won't appear straight away due to the amount of stuff being added to the gift section at any one time, but it should be there fairly soon. So if we just go back to it, if someone found this on the gift section, they click on it and click on it again, and they'd be taken through to the site where they can buy it. Okay, that's all for this time. I hope you found this helpful. My ebook 500 Social Media Marketing Tips is available on Amazon.com for Kindle and Smashwords.com for lots of other devices. Links in the description. Thanks very much. Bye.